What is a PSD file and how can you open it? A PSD, Photoshop document, file is a proprietary file format created by Adobe Photoshop, a popular graphic design and photo editing software. PSD files are commonly used to store layered images, including text, graphics, and other elements, in a format that preserves the layers and allows for future editing. To open a PSD file, you'll need graphic design software that supports the PSD format. The primary software for this purpose is Adobe Photoshop itself. Here's how you can open a PSD file. 1. Adobe Photoshop *. If you have Adobe Photoshop installed on your computer, simply double-click the PSD file, and it should open in Photoshop. Alternatively, open Photoshop and go to File Open, then navigate to the location of your PSD file and select it. 2. Other graphic design software *. Several other graphic design programs, like Adobe Photoshop Elements, GIMP, CorelDRAW, and others, also support the PSD format. You can open PSD files in these programs, but the level of compatibility with layered features may vary. 3. Online PSD viewers *. Some online platforms allow you to view PSD files without the need for specific software. These online viewers may not provide full editing capabilities but can be useful for previewing the content. Ensure you trust the platform and are aware of privacy considerations when using online services. Keep in mind that while many programs can open PSD files, not all of them will fully support all the features and layers created in Adobe Photoshop. For advanced editing and manipulation, Adobe Photoshop is the most suitable option.